going to discuss about the third type of supercharger, that is vent type supercharger. See, it is the inlet, that is the outlet, and here it is a drum. In between the drum there is some vents, and it is the body of the engine. So a number of vents are mounted in the drum which is inside the body of the supercharger. The vents can slide in or out against the force of the spring. Because of this arrangement, the vents are always in contact with the inner surface of the body. The shape between the inner surface of the body and the drum decreases from the inlet to the outer side. The quantity of the mixture which enters at the inlet decreases in volume, because of which the pressure of the mixture will increases as it reaches the exhaust. This type of supercharger operates at 4000 to 5000 rpm and provides air at 1.5 bar. What is the advantage? High pressure ratio can be obtained. It can handle large air volume. It is suitable for high capacity engine. Disadvantage: there is excessive wear of sliding vents due to rubbing action with cylinder. Power requirement is high. The weight per meter cube is considerably higher. The maintenance cost is also high. Then fourth one is reciprocating compressor type supercharger. Reciprocating compressor are rarely used as a supercharger as they are bulky and more expensive. The weight of this type of supercharger is considerably higher compared with other superchargers. Reciprocating compressor allows high compressor ratio. It is rarely used because its isothermal efficiency is low and speed is limited. For fifth type is turbo supercharger. Turbocharging system is not generally used with single cylinder engine because of cyclic fluctuation of the pressure in exhaust manifold. This system is generally preferred having 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder or 8-cylinder engine. The operating speed of the exhaust gas driven turbine lies between 2 into 10 to the power 3 to 20 into 10 to the power 3 to 30 into 10 to the power 3 rpm, so that there is no necessity of geared drive for the compressor because the rpm is high. Advantage: the weight per kg of air compressor is minimum compared with all other turbocharger. Maintenance cost is minimum. Initial cost of the system is also minimum. It requires minimum space and compact in nature. The exhaust noise is reduced. The gear arrangement is required between supercharger and turbine. Next one is effects of supercharging. Before supercharging an engine, one should understand its effects. The following are the effects of supercharging engines: higher power output, greater induction of charge mass, better automation of fuel, better mixing of fuel and air, better scavenging of products, better torque characteristics over the whole speed range, quicker acceleration of vehicle, more completely and smooth combustion, inferior or poor ignition quality fuel usage, smoother operation and reduction is in diesel knock tendency, increased detonation tendency in SI engine, improved cold starting, reduced exhaust smoke, reduced specific fuel consumption in turbocharging, increased mechanical efficiency, increased thermal stress, increased heat losses due to increased turbulence, increased gas loading, increased valve overlap period of 60 to 160 degree of crank angle, increased cooling requirement of piston and valves. Then limitation of supercharging. Due to supercharging, thermal load on the various part of the engine increases. Increased gas loading caused by supercharging is necessity. The use of large bearing area and heavier engine components. Thank you.